back to my channel. I'm Ritu Kapoor. Today I'm going to unbox and review Ellis Box for the month of July. So this is the box which I've got. Let's just quickly unbox it and see what all it has. But before that, let me tell you the price for a monthly subscription. Price for a monthly subscription is 399 rupees and they have longer subscriptions as well. So of course, if you go with longer subscription, you will save some money. Now I will be mentioning the buying link, everything in the description box. You guys can check it before ordering. Now let's start with the first thing, which is this. This is the info card for July month and it says go vegan with Ellis Box. Let's start with the first product, which is exclusively on Ellis Box. This is by Amaria Natural Tejas Day Cream. So a new brand for me. I have not really used it. So yes, looking forward for this. 50 gram is the quantity. The price for this one is 699 rupees. Packing wise, it looks nice. And ingredient, oh my god, a big list of ingredients are here. So it has sunflower oil, glycerine, then jojoba oil, then cocoa butter, witch hazel, rosehip oil. So many ingredients are here. Looks nice. So I'm looking forward for this one. Now moving on to the next one. The next one is a lipstick by Disgrace, and this is, I've already used lipstick from Disgrace. This is shade number 12. Let me just show you the shade. And this lipstick has no paraben, no lid, cruelty free and 100% vegan, which is amazing. So, and the packing, let me just show you the packing. So packing is just amazing. You just have to slide it like this, and this is how it comes out. And then the color is quite different. You can just see it's not black like all other lipsticks, so that way it's nice. And let me show you the shade. So this is the shade, quite dark for me because I am more into light shades, but yeah, beautiful shade. The price for this one is 500 rupees. Moving on to the next one. The next one is by the Herbal Blend, and this is a hand and foot scrub. So this is how it looks. The price for this one is 500 rupees. And this is for all skin types, especially crafted for Ellis Box, added with walnut husk that removes dead skin cells, smoothing the skin texture, also laced with moisturizing shea butter, nourishing vitamin E and almond oil, which reduces tan and wrinkles. So the manufacturer is of July 2019, best before 12 months from the manufacturing date. 500 rupees is the price, and of course hand and foot scrub, so quite useful. The next one is by Clam Aroma, and this is the enzyme skin polisher. 30 gram is the quantity, and it says pineapple, grapefruit here. The price for this one is 349 rupees. Manufacture of July 2019. Best before 12 months from the manufacturing date. It says it's 3-in-1 pack. So you can use it as a cleanser, mask and a scrub. The ingredient lists are quite nice, but let me just read out that for you. It has pumpkin, enzyme, pineapple, papaya, grapefruit peel, organic oats, then organic brown rice, avocado extract, milk extract, aloe vera extract, kaolin clay and argan oil. So all the ingredients are quite nice. So I'm looking forward for this one for sure. Now I'm left with the last one, and the last one is by PSafe. This is a panty liner. Last product in the box. So that's all what I've received in my Ellis Box for July month. The total worth of all the product is 2000 plus. And yes, I've showed you the product. If you like it, you can go ahead and purchase it. As you know, Ellis Box is one of the most affordable boxes, and they always come up with new brands. Actually, very good brand, very good product for you. So if you like it, go ahead and place your order. So that's all for Ellis Box. I will see you in my next video. Till then, lots of love and bye-bye.